Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, I want to teach us how to use ChatGPT to generate your YouTube title, your YouTube description, your YouTube hashtags, your YouTube tags, right? And then most people have complained that they don't know how to get a perfect title for their videos. So if this video sounds like what you might want to learn, try to stick around till the end of this video to learn how to use ChatGPT to generate free title, a perfect description, the nice hashtags to use on your description box, and as well, the nice tags. Because all YouTubers do face the challenge of having this um, sorted out. So if you will be able to generate a good title, a good description, and all of those stuffs, your videos tend to have more visibility, and which is why I am here in this video. So this video I am making now, I don't know the title, I don't know the description, I don't know whatever I will use, but you and I will learn how I will use ChatGPT to do all of these. So do well to watch the end, and make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you share with your friends and family. Now, before we go into the main video, there are what we call prompts on ChatGPT. Prompts are keywords that you will supply to the app that will enable it, help you to generate a perfect result or a perfect answer to whatever you are looking for. So these prompts are what are the keywords in that your video, in that your tutorial that you are making. So if you're able to identify these keywords, you'll be able to have a nice usage of ChatGPT. It is only when you don't know how to do the keywords, it's when you have issues on ChatGPT. So let us now learn together and see how I will generate a title for this video, a description for this video, a hashtag, and also tags for this video as well. So for all content creators, make sure you watch this video, especially the upcoming content creators. This will help you even on Facebook to also generate titles for your videos, because when your videos are uploaded with a perfect description and perfect title, it gives you more visibility. There is what they call SEO. Your SEO score will be high. SEO means search engine optimization. So once someone comes on that platform to search anything that relates to your video will be suggested for the person. Your algorithm will keep increasing. Your visibility will keep increasing without much stress. So let us now learn the ChatGPT title, description, generation perfectly. For you to do this, this is the app I use, ChatGPT. So here, you come here, I need to, my network wasn't on. Okay, now it's on now. So now this is, I want to generate a title for that video you just watched initially. So what I will do is I will write YouTube title for a video on how to use ChatGPT to generate title and description. So this is just trying to give me a title for this video, right? So the video is all about how to use ChatGPT to generate title and description, right? So you type YouTube title for a video on how to use. So watch the suggestion it will come up with now. So you see, it now gave us mastering ChatGPT. Generate catchy YouTube titles and description. So this will be the video for that, right? So what you will do now is you copy this. you copy it, right? Now you go to your YouTube channel or your Facebook page, whichever one, YouTube channel, then you click on the plus sign if you have already on the channel already. Then after that, you upload the video. This is the video I made. You click on it, then press next, right? Then come here and paste this title. So this has solved us the title issue. So for us to get the description, what you now do, you should go back to that same app, then you now type YouTube description for a video on, you now paste the title. You now paste the title you copy originally. Now what the description it will give us? It will give us a description. You see, unlock the power of ChatGPT to craft irresistible YouTube titles, descriptions in the tutorial. So this is a perfect description you will need, and which you and I know that if you did not use this, you might not be able to generate a perfect description like this. So you now copy this here. You copy, then go to your description box on the YouTube app, then you paste it. You see how I am doing it, right? Then you are not done yet because you are meant to add hashtags on this. So you see, go back to that ChatGPT. You now write YouTube hashtags for a video on. You now paste the title. Always use the title, right? YouTube hashtags for a video on. You send it, right? So it will load. You see the hashtags is loading. So look at the hashtags, it has loaded. You copy them. You copy, right? Then you now come here and then paste the descriptions as well. You come here, you paste them as well. So you might decide to give space after the description, right? So this is how you would generate a perfect title and description. And then also bear in mind that there is what they call your main view, like your popular countries or states viewing your channel. So for mine, Lagos is my popular state, Lagos State. So you always use Lagos State to upload Lagos State, Nigeria. Lagos State, Nigeria. And the reason why mine is Lagos, because I am into fashion. So I tend to have, Lagos is a fashion oriented state. So it tends to have more viewers from Lagos. So once you are done with that, this is what your description box will look like. So if you want to now get a thumbnail, so I will teach us in next video how to get a thumbnail for your videos. So this video is solely on ChatGPT, how to use this for title, description box, and your hashtags. Bear in mind that it is only after you uploaded that you'll only be able to put tags on your videos. So the next video you will see will be on how to do thumbnails with Canva, which I will give you a glimpse of Canva. For all content creators, Canva is necessary for you to learn how to go about it. Alright, so I believe you have learned a lot from the video you have watched. So this is a trick which most YouTubers use now and most content creators use now, especially if you're into tech, fashion, or any advanced niche that needs certain keywords. So those prompts you give to ChatGPT will help you to give you those description titles very well and give you the perfect hashtags. And bear in mind that there is no need to copy hashtags that are not related to the post you are making. So you're only meant to use hashtags and description box and description titles for your particular video. Each video has its own unique title. Each video has its own unique description. Each video has its own unique hashtags and tags as well. Though some might be related if you are in particular area of your needs, right? So this is how you do that. If you derive value from this video, please kindly like, share, give me a comment, thumbs up, and let me know that this video is impactful, because your likes and shares will help me as well reach out to more audience and for new people to join us on this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next DIY videos on how to become a successful content creator. Bye bye for now.